In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect MyFitnessPal to Garmin. So first things first, head over to your Garmin and make sure to install it. Next, head over to MyFitnessPal and click on Start Today or install it using your Google Play Store or your App Store depending on the device that you currently have. Now, I have in here this help article that can help us link our Garmin Connect account with MyFitnessPal. In order to do this, you can just choose between Garmin Connect Web or the app itself. Now open the Garmin Connect app, tap on the More on the bottom right and select Settings. From in there, choose the connected apps and select MyFitnessPal from the list. Tap on Agree and make sure to input your details such as your login information choosing the FitnessPal and click on Links Allow. Now click on the link accounts and select Allow option in order to sync those two together. We have the web app. Just go over right here and sign into your Garmin Connect app. Select on Health Stats. Select Calories in and out and connect to MyFitnessPal. Agree. Enter your username and password and sign in. So that's all there is today and I hope this video helped you out.